When we began on our journey to create educational content, we found that stories were an effective medium of spreading knowledge. We have narrated many stories so far. In this period of commercialized online education, we are dedicated to provide quality video lessons easily accessible to everyone. To foster practical learning, we solve sample questions and previous year papers of many competitive exams. It's always a challenge to revise lessons quickly for an exam. We at Blitz Audios have decided to make videos on mind maps. These are especially helpful to revise. Solving puzzles leads to better mental health and a host of other benefits. That's why we've created a catalog of videos on various puzzles. As a socially responsible company, we are committed to raising awareness about various events around the world. We do that by creating video content on various observances.